Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are calling all veggie lovers as we are whipping up a Goan classic cabbage foogath with a twist of adding dry prawn galmo. This vibrant dish is a symphony of simple flavors, crispy cabbage tossed in a fragrant spice mix with a touch of sweetness and a hint of heat. It's a perfect side dish, light lunch or even a healthy snack. Foogath is a classic Goan stir fry, typically made with vegetables and a simple, flavorful spice mix. Today we are using fresh cabbage, but feel free to experiment with other veggies. And to add a real Goan punch, we'll also be adding some dry prawn galmo. This will take this dish to the next level. This combo is perfect for a quick and satisfying meal. It's light, flavorful and perfect for those who love a bit of a spice kick. So grab your ingredients and let's get cooking. So first, in a hot pan, add oil. Add 1 tablespoon mustard seeds. Add half tablespoon cumin seeds, 3 garlic cloves chopped, 30 curry leaves, 3 green chilies, and fry this for about few seconds. Then add 2 onions sliced and fry this until the onion is nice and soft. Then add 1 cup dry prawn galmo, clean and washed, and fry this for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon sugar, and add 800 grams of cabbage sliced. Add some salt to taste. Add 1/3 cup water and give this a nice mix. Then cover it and cook it until the cabbage is nice and soft. So once the cabbage is soft, then give this a nice mix. Then add half cup fresh grated coconut, add 3 tablespoon water and fry this for about 3 to 4 minutes. And there you have it guys, a delicious and a vibrant plate of Goan cabbage foogath with a twist of adding dry prawn galmo is ready. See how beautifully the cabbage retained its color and texture. It's light, flavorful and ready to take your taste buds on a Goan adventure. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more healthy and flavorful recipes like this one. If you are looking for a protein boost, try pairing this foogath with some steamed fish or tofu scramble. Oops, almost forgot a quick tip for leftover. This dish reheats beautifully, makes it perfect for meal prep. So if you want to make this dish and keep it for the next day, it's perfect. Please do subscribe for more recipes like this. If you like this recipe, then please hit the like. Also hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of the new uploads. If you have any questions, then do comment and let me know. I'll try and answer them. Also do share my recipes to your friends and families so that they can try these delicious recipes at home. Now go forth and spread the love of Goan cabbage foogath. Until next time, happy cooking. Bye.